This is a piano tutorial for O Christmas Tree, this time as a piano accompanist. So for this, we don't need to be playing the melody in the right hand, so we'd be playing the chord in your right hand, and the root note of the chord in the left hand is as a bass note. So that's the approach. And I'm going to show you the chord in the right hand inverted in such a way that the melody note is on the top. So the first F chord we're going to play like this: A, C, and F. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. And right there the melody goes up to an A. So I'm going to suggest you move your chord up to that C, F, and A like that. So, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. The next chord is G minor, and the melody note goes to a G. How lovely are you. So G minor is B flat, D, and G like that. And then it goes down to that C7 chord, and we're going to do it like this: G, B flat, C, and E. So I'll show that to you again. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. It repeats. Oh Christmas tree. And that time we're going to move our C7 chord up to this. So it's B flat, C, E. It's a little tricky there. B flat, C, E, G. Oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are you. C7 like that again. Branches. And then it goes up to this. Not only in the summertime. I'm going to say, do the G like that. So that's not only in the summertime. G minor, let's do it like that. D, G, and B flat on the top. But even there's C7, E, G, B flat, and C. Even in winter is thy prime. There's the F chord there. Oh Christmas tree, F. There's their C7 again, B flat, C, E, G. Oh Christmas tree, F, A. It's a C, F, and A like that. And then G minor. Lovely are B flat, D, and G. Are your. There's E, C7 again. Couple places where the melody is, above that, but for the most part your chord is just below the melody, playing it like that. Then all you got to do once you've learned that is you've got to play the root note of the chord down low. So when you're playing the F chord, there's your F note as a bass note. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas, C, oh, there's G, C7, excuse me. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. So F chord, there's an F there. C7, there's a C there. Back to F, your G minor. You got your bass note with G, C, 7, you got a C. So whatever the note the chord is named for, that's what you're playing for your root note down low. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how lovely are your branches. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.